Students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach geometrical figures part 1, lesson number 1 of mathematics of class 4th. So directly you come to the page number in this chapter. This is revision of the 3rd standard. So page number 4 you come. Now we will study about the circle in detail. So this is your circle, round shape, okay? The line you are seeing, this is called chord, small line, okay? This is called a chord. Chord can be drawn here. It is called 1/4 of the circle, and this is dividing the two circle into two equal parts. This is called diameter. It divides the circle into two parts, okay? Semicircle, we can say one semicircle, two semicircle. And now next one, you come to this page number 5. This is this from here to here. This is called radius. Radius can be drawn like this, or kind and be the radius. Radius means half of the diameter. The diameter's half. The radius means half of the diameter. Okay, this all you come again when you go to 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th standard. You will study in detail. Right now understand what is chord. Chord means small 1/4 part. Diameter means making the circle into half, and the radius is the half of the diameter. So this is about the circle. So here you have to fill page number 5. So they are asking, oh, what is that? It is called center. From the center we draw with the help of the compass. You have seen this like this, okay? This is called the center of the circle. Now this, down the center, it is small 1/4 line is drawn. That is called chord, small part, okay? And this is one big line, and it is divided into two semicircle part, two part of the circle, that is called diameter. And this is a half of the diameter. See this half, this is called the radius. What is you call radius? To write down that name. Now come to page number this. Now this is all the revision. Rectangle, I am reading this. A rectangle has 4 edges, 4 sides. The point where 2 sides meet is called vertex. This is the 4 side, you know, we having 4 side, A, B, C, D. So A, B, B, C, C, D, T, A, the 4 side, and the sides which are meeting means up A, B and B, C. It is meeting here. This is called vertex, corner, okay? And like this same B, C, C, D. This is corner. This is called vertex. Like C, D and A, B. This is your corner, the vertex. And like D, A and A, B. This is vertex. So that is 4 sides and 4 edges, 4 corners, and 4 vertex are there. And in this figure, the side AB, BC, CD are sides of rectangle that I told you. Opposite sides of the rectangle are equal length, and all the angle of the rectangle are right angle. Angle is called right angle quadrilateral. See, opposite side are equal. This is equal to this, and this is equal to this. Okay, so this is the rectangle's properties. And one more property is 90 degree. It make like this. When you join all the angles like this is called 90 degree. All the angles are making like this. We join 90 degree. This we join 90 degree. This we join 90 degree. This we join 90 degree. All 90 degree. That is, and then we say a rectangle is a right angle quadrilateral, because quadrilateral means 4 sides. Now square also, you know, a square has 4 vertex, 4 sides. In the figure along P, M, R, S are the vertices of the square, and all the sides of the square are equal length, and all its angles are right angle triangle. Same property as rectangle to the square. The 4 sides, then vertex are there. I told you vertex joining point, same thing. Then edges are 4 sides, corners are 4 sides, and it is also making 90 degree like this. Only one difference is there. This all 4 sides are equal. If it is 3, 3, 3, 3. So this is the only difference between the rectangle and the square. Now come to the triangle. A triangle has 3 vertices and 3 sides. Y, R, L are the vertices of the triangle. Y, R, R, L and Y, L are the 3 sides of triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. This is the side of triangle that already read in 3rd standard. This also like this side, 3 corners, 3 edges and 3 vertices. This is vertex. Okay, now we will complete this. Come to here, name the sides. See the sides AB, BC and A. Sides you have to name AB, BC and CA. I written vertex means point A, B, C. In this side, from PQ they started PQ, QR, RS, PQ. Like this, you have to write all the side. Vertex is P, Q, R, S. Now this side, you come the side. You can see LM. You can see that LM. Then this is called MN. Then NO. Then OR. And the vertices is L, M, N. Okay. So I hope you might have understood this. So do it properly, draw it and understand what is side, vertex, corner, edges and about the right angle triangle. Thank you for watching and keep learning and keep studying. I will come with the other video that will also help you. Bye. Take care.